Okay, everybody. They're waiting for us.
Initiating breach maneuver. Setting detonator.
Chief's on the mark. Good one.
Fire in the hole.
Clean breach. Let's go.
I'm in here.
Squad member incapacitated. He's dead.
Be right back.
Eliminate
Battle damage
target.
over here.
Reloading.
Oh, Seven's down. Someone help him.
Push him back hard, Delta. Lost Delta 3-8.
Delta Squad. I think we just lost Delta Squad. Go, go!
Unlock that door, Delta.
Watch my
Taking
back.
position.
Burke, take him out!
Mark confirmed. Excellent. Nice shot.
Eliminate target.
That's done. He's dead.
Slavers!
Slice and dice, sir.
Moving to cover.
I got a live one. We need to get him out of there.
Slice into the Trendo security network to open that cell.
Get slicing on that terminal, Commando.
Hold on, big guy. We're getting you out of here. No terminal can match my attack or skill. Good take, Lee.
One Wookiee.
We can't get through the door, so they blocked it off.
Scanning a weakness in the back of the cell. Blow through
More
here.
than that. That's personal.
Burks are flanking. Trando's down.
Commence demolitions maneuver, Delta.
4-0, ready explosive.
Nice takedown. Slavers. My job.
Charge
Get
is on,
clear.
sir. Through, sir.
Love that sound.
Heading for cover. This is an ex-enemy.
Take up anti-armor position, Delta.
Watch out, it's a trap!
Target area hit.
Eliminate.
Leader down.
Pitching Trandos.
Oh, 7's down.
Rotting lizard scum.
Resisting squad leader.
Enemy down.
Need now.
Fixers down. Fixers down.
Eliminate target.
How was that? Enemy destroyed. Executed.
Stop limping around and get some
Oral
vector,
covering
soldier.
vector.
Yes, sir.
I'm heading there now.
Back to.
I feel better now. Located another survivor. Big one, too.
Is it Tarful?
Slice that terminal, Delta.
On it, squad leader.
He says they took Tarful a few minutes ago.
Let's evacuate him.
3, 2, 1. Rescued 2 Wookiees.
Okay, big fella. Go rip some arms off.
Door's blocked. Can't budge this thing.
I bet a Wookiee can do it. See? What'd I tell you?
We appreciate the help, warrior.
Where's he going?
Blast! He walked right into their spotlight.
What'd he say?
Later, Delta Squad. Stay focused on Tarful for now. Be ready for a fight, Deltas. That tower is swarming with slavers. Tower full of Trendos. Check. Incoming enemy charges! Incoming!
Slavers, don't bunch up.
Look out! Good job, Lee.
Confirmed kill. Trandoshan.
Good shooting, Delta. Couldn't have done it better myself, sir. It's easy. Landing is hard. Oh, 7, taking cover.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
Yes, sir. On my way.
Retrieving it, sir.
Feeling all right now.
Back to applied.
Grievous' ship is warming up, Deltas. Get back to that landing pad ASAP. Advise you to take a shortcut through the Trandoshan nest. Hurry, before it's too late.
Kill that spotlight.
Nice move, sir.
Got it.
That was for Delta 23! Or was that 32?
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Yes, sir. Down to target. Good to go, sir.
Abandon position, Delta. We got a nest here. Okay,
String 'em
everyone. They
along
know we're
and we'll
coming, so
mop 'em
let's
up.
do this hard and loud.
Aye, aye. Detonator placed. Clear.
Keep moving, Deltas. Tarfful must be in there somewhere.
What's that smell?
Slavers.
Slice that security door, Deltas.
I'm out. Reloading. Way to get him.
Slice that terminal, Delta.
Got it, sir. Almost
Sounds
cracked
like a
it.
Wookiee's giving him trouble on the other side.
Network sliced, sir.
Dead. Let's hope Tarful's in better shape.
Grenade.
Delta Squad, new orders. You are to verify that Grievous is indeed on Kashyyyk. Highest priority. Can you see him near that ship? Find a window or viewport. We need verification.
Beautiful strike, sir.
Moving to cover.
Seems to be dead.
We've got a visual on a landing pad.
Positive ID on General Grievous.
What's he? Damn!
We've been spotted. Get down there. Move!
What in the galaxy was that?
Initiate radical restructuring, Commando.
Scorch, priming charge. Cover me. Was red, red, green, or red, green, red? It's hot, boss.
Stand back, Deltas.
Let's move, Delta Squad.
We got slavers, Delta.
Heal up, Delta.
On my way, squad leader.
3-8 behind you.
Busted that Trando. Feeling much better now.
There's Tarful.
Deltas, give me an explosive solution.
Where are they taking him?
Cover me.
Grievous must want him for questioning.
Mercenary.
Nice handiwork, sir. Hey, I didn't know Trandoshans could fly.
Hostile eliminated.
Charge ready when you are, sir.
Take cover, Deltas.
Ready.
Breach that door.
Absolutely, sir. Placing breach charge. Clear.
Come on, we can still get him.
Too late.
What are those things?
Droids incoming.
He says that's one of Grievous's bodyguards. Very tough.
Eliminate Tarf. They're after Tarful.
Tarful has information vital to the Republic. He must survive. Highest priority.
That would be easier if he backed down a little.
Never argue with the Wookiee 3-8.
Need a reload here.
Powering up. One down. Droids incoming.
Hit him hard, Deltas.
Eliminate target.
Need a reload here.
I need a med tech.
Reloading. They're just lining up to die.
Hey, 40, think we should call in some backup?
Well done, Delta.
Successful.
Interesting.
What's he saying?
This camp is just the beginning. There's a lot more going on here than we knew. I'm processing our current Grievous dossier. Lots of data. Your recon and surveillance has been invaluable, Deltas. Command appreciates this.
Moving to cover.
Something must have spooked those crits.
I
It's
smell
a Trandoshan patrol.
Take him out.
Trando neutralized. Blasting.
Down the target. Looks like a textbook perimeter defense of a Trando camp.
Keep your distance.
Yeah, either
from
that or the
mines.
Wookiees have taken up landscaping.
Sir, the Trandos have set up a camp here.
Understood.
Grenades!
Continue
Take
your
cover!
recon.
See if you can get that thing without killing them.
Wish me luck.
We'll beat them down this one. Disarm their secrets.
Wish me luck.
It's a slaver rush.
Drop them!
Gonna Delta down.
Commander, watch those landmines. That Delta needs a revive, now.
I appreciate the assist. Helping Delta 40. Slavers.
Oh, 7 reloading.
Delta 4-0 recovered.
Heal up, Delta.
I thought you'd never ask, sir. I'm healed.
Get yourself some Vector, Commando.
Retrieving Bacta. Much better.
Burke, take him out.
Hey, I didn't know Trandoshan's could fly.
Take them out from there, Delta.
Yes, sir.
Trenches. Trandoshans have really dug in here. Not good.
3-8, behind you.
Alright. What are they doing here?
Enemy droids.
Got that bolted. Powering up.
Slice and dice, sir.
Blasting.
Fire in the hole!
Got some droids here.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Look out, it's a missile turret.
Eliminate target.
Berserkers.
Looks a little large for a camp, sir. Need a reload here.
We can hit him hard from here.
07 moving the turret.
You should have run away, dummy.
Confirm kill.
Ready to engage.
Initiate radical restructuring, Commando.
Setting charge.
Sir, we've eliminated the Trando's perimeter defenses.
Good work, Deltas. Proceed inside and ascertain the nature of the camp.
Do you think we used to know?
It looks like a Trando compound, but they've got droids guarding it.
Continue your recon of the compound.
This place is lousy with droids.
I'm tapped out. Be right back.
Eliminate target.
Scans indicate more hostiles on your vector. Prepare yourselves for hard contact.
Fresh ammo. Hit confirmed. Lending a hand to 6-2. Hold on, Fixer. Help's on the way. Try to catch.
I'm good as new, sir.
I'd like some explosives here, Delta.
Setting charge.
On my way.
Man that turret, Delta.
Affirmative, sir.
Charge is ready when you are, sir. One more down.
Delta 62, moving on.
You, back. Get clear now.
Yes, sir. Six 2, combat ready.
Deltas, give me an explosive solution.
Setting charge.
Sev, try not to blow us up this time.
Give me a few more seconds. Charge on.
Take cover, Deltas.
Let's move, Delta Squad.
A Wookiee rocket launcher. This thing is twice my size. Best be careful where I point it.
Where is everyone?
Droids incoming. Good one, sir.
It's a droid dispenser.
Perfect.
We could use a hull here, Deltas.
Scorch, priming charge. Need some cover, squad. Thank you, sir.
Droid.
Good shooting, Delta. Behind you.
Explosive set for you.
Get clear! Separatist supplies.
One's an anomaly. Two's a trend. Rule 89, boss.
Sir, I think we've stumbled across a separatist supply base.
They must be using it as a staging area for their assault on Kashyyyk. Understood, 3-8. We'll start conducting more thorough scans of the compound. In the meantime, disrupt their operations by any means possible.
07 reloading.
Initiate radical restructuring, Commando.
Scorch, priming charge. Need some cover, squad.
Affirmative. Placing charge. Watch my back, Deltas.
Priming? Explosives?
I'd like some explosives here, Deltas.
Setting demo.
Get clear!
Seconds. 6-2's down.
Explosives prime.
Stand back, Deltas.
Delta squad.
Charge armed.
6-2's getting assistance.
Tip cover.
You could use some back there, Delta.
I thought you'd never ask, sir. Busted that Trando.
Fire in the hole.
Feeling much better now.
Get the one on the tower.
Sir. Thermal, ahoy!
Watch the blast.
Look out!
Reloading.
Look out! Grenade.
Timely takedown, sir.
Watch it. That minefield is active and engaged. Fixer, there's a droid up there controlling the minefield.
Just about there. Charge armed.
Fire in the hole.
Do you think we used enough?
The mines have been deactivated.
Detroits!
Someone get to the controls and reactivate them.
On it, squad leader.
Let's see if we can arrange a little surprise for them.
I'll tap down.
Almost there. Flash
The
complete, sir.
minefield is active.
There they go. Stupid droids. Look out, monster. That was fulfilling. It's a Trando dropship.
They're bringing in reinforcements.
Destroy that landing pad. Deltas, give me an explosive solution.
Affirmative. Placing charge.
Heads up, we got works.
Watch my back, Delta.
Fine shooting, boss. Fixers down! Fixers down!
Lousy lizard. What goes on? Assisting 4-0.
Delta needs a revive, Commando.
Taking position.
Initiate radical restructuring, Commando.
Setting charge.
Get
Demo
clear!
is ready when you are.
Well, that's
Delta Squad, proceed to the lower level of the base.
Oh, another level.
Once and for all, we'll provide air support as soon as possible.
You heard him. Annihilate this base.
Transmission eliminated.
Yes, here.
Mark down.
Another one down.
I'd like some explosives here, Deltas.
I'm on it.
Dead hostile.
Priming. Explosives. Explosive set.
Get
3.
clear!
I love that sound. Move!
Stop limping around and get some vectors.
Retrieving back, sir. Nice strike.
This
Feeling
place is
better
more
now.
than just a Trando supply base. The Separatists are definitely involved here. Take them out from there. Oh,
Yes, sir.
eliminate target.
Super battle droids.
Target down.
That's done.
Take out that missile turret.
Scorch. Another missile turret. Brilliant.
Try to flank them.
That merc couldn't hit the broadside of an assault ship.
No.
Good work, Lee. Well, hit confirmed. Acknowledge taking position.
This place gives me the creeps.
A scorch, nothing better than a jungle hunt. Hiding in the bush, putting a plasma bolt through a hostile's cranium. Makes me feel alive.
Okay. Now, 07's giving me the creeps.
Need one more for the slag here.
Cancel maneuver, Delta. You could use some Bacta, Delta.
On my way, squad leader.
Targets eradicated.
Advisor, I believe the Separatists are using the space as a staging area for their attack on the Wookiees.
Copy that. I'll alert command.
We could use our hold here, Delta.
Powering up. Need some cover, squad.
Eliminate target.
ECDs will disrupt their neural network. Need red check now.
Charge on.
Take cover, Delta.
I'll take your lead, sir. Successful.
Eliminate target.
Yeah, fixer.
Monsters.
6-2 is out. And confirmed. Fixers in need. I'm on it. Lending a hand to 6-2.
Provide, sir.
Get yourself some Bacta, Commando.
Acknowledged. Retrieving backup.
Heading for cover.
Feeling better now.
Heal up, Delta.
On my way, squad leader. I'm good. Let's go.
Are you tired, squad leader?
Let's rearrange some architecture, Delta.
Scorch, priming charge. Can I have some cover here? With red, red, green. Red, green, red. Explosives
Stand back
prime,
down,
sir.
Hostile reinforcements repelling in.
Keep your eyes on the skies. Chief's on the mark. Good one.
You could use some Bacta, Delta.
You never asked, sir. Six-2, combat ready.
Let's find out what's on the other side.
Absolutely, sir. Setting detonator. Clear.
Grenade thrown.
Door breach with
Eliminate target.
Last guy eliminated.
Nice kill.
Powering up.
Sir, maybe we can drop that crate on the spider droid.
Good idea, Fixer. Find the controls to that crane.
Crane interface over near those supply crates, sir.
Reloading. They got me.
Hold it together, Delta.
Metal monster.
Got a spider droid here.
Back for more.
Need a reload here.
Six-two's down.
Metal monsters.
Reloading.
Why do we always get the tough jobs?
Quit the chatter, Delta.
Got a spider droid here.
Scorch, good for engagement.
Now I'm ready. Good shot, sir. Subject terminated.
Come in,
gotta
slicing
be
protocols,
kidding me.
Delta.
Watch the drug dispensers. Kill them all.
Well, it's about time.
Deltas, let's get out of here.
Helping Delta 40.
We're not going far, Delta. The Separatists are planting their flag in Kashyyyk, and it's up to us to yank it out. The Separatists have touched down and are starting to deploy. Your squad must reach the weakest point on this bridge, a narrow span in the center, and destroy it. That will sever the link between Separatists and Wookiee territory. Move fast. If the Separatists reach the span first, they'll make your job a lot harder.
Roger that. The Wookiees are spread thin. They'll help us wherever they can.
Go, go! Got a visual on scan. I've got a scan. Got that back.
Weighted target. Line of road.
They've sealed the cargo bulkheads. Can we open these up?
Negative. They're sealed to slow the enemy down. Find a side route around each bulkhead. If we block access to the main routes, we can force the Separatists to engage us where we are more prepared for them.
We've got a breach here.
Looks like the Wookiees need to work on their holding
Lead,
skills.
recommend you put a couple of thermals in that breach. The resulting debris should hold off any further incursions.
Take them out from there, Delta.
Moving into position. Ready, sir. Scratch one back.
This is a schematic of the Kashyyyk Bridge, Delta. It connects the lower city to the main citadel. The bridge itself is joined in the middle by a small center span. It acts as a linchpin between the two halves. Separatist advance parties have already reached this side of the bridge and are attempting to clear a path for the main invasion force. Once you've reached the center span, you will place a demo charge at this point. It's an expansion joint between the two sections. Destroy this bridge and stop the Separatists in their tracks. Good luck, Delta. Delta Squad, secure the market concourse.
Now's my chance to pick up those bandoliers I've always wanted.